We've been married now 56 years. We're just enjoying life.
We're still married, we think.
Her left eye is bad, really bad. When she tries to do something with the right eye, the left eye doesn't see anything. So
It's very relaxing, and you can just...
best thing to do is to keep
especially
you awake.
when he's talking and I don't have to say anything, and I just...
So I would be doing little corrections like that with her. This birthday party came up. Mona decided, I'm going to get my face done up for the party.
And we happened to hit into Rosie.
He was telling me the story that Mona, her sight was very, very bad, and that she was losing her sight, and that she wasn't able to hold things properly. She had a lot of shaking in her hands. Des took the brushes from my hand and wanted to have a try. If you just see the way he holds the brushes, he's a natural. He is a natural.
Mario, he was touched by the story and said to his manager, I want those two at my masterclass in London.
He just seemed to want to know us. Yeah. He seemed to want to have us there. It's an effort for me to even realise how big it was. Makeup and Mario and the Kardashians and that, absolutely nothing in our lives up until now.
She hasn't changed a bit, really. I got a little bit makeup in my hair. I was trying to impress her then with my attempts to sing like Nat King Cole. They try to tell us we're too young. Mona and I both agree on one thing, and that is that less is more. And there's no way I want my lovely Mona slapped up with stuff.
He thinks I'm lovely as I am.
Up here. We were not too young. We're done. At all.